sweet little purple finches are singing outside, and they've been perching on these ivy branches outside the window. I'll just kind of like peck just a little bit. You know, I guess they're wondering if they can get in. So I got up to take a look to see if I could see them a little better as they fly by. And thinking, well, I need to trim. And look what I noticed just now. The ivy has actually grown through the window. Oh my gosh. Around the window frame. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind on doing some trimming around the windows. I had no idea I was this far behind. So I'm about to go out and work ever so carefully because I know that the little birds are building nests, and so I certainly don't want to disturb them. I hear one on this next window, next in the living room. Let me see if we can get a picture of him. Watch carefully on that one ivy branch right there. He'll come back and peck. We just have to be patient. But they build nests in the ivy against the wall. So that's part of, well, I was going to say that's part of why I've put it off, but that's actually not true. I just have thought that it's good that I've put it off because they're there. But I guess I have to get out and do a little trimming. Come on back, little bird. I'm going to be very quiet now. I'm going to be encouraging to come. There he is. I think I won't prune that particular vine though. It's so entertaining and such a good chance. What a pretty song too. That was fun, wasn't it? I enjoyed it. Yeah, I think I'll leave just that one branch, but I'll wait until it gets closer to dark when they're all maybe settling down a little bit to do any of the pruning. I don't want to disturb them.